There's a place far away.
It all started when the producer and director Kamal Haasan announced that his movie Vishwarupam will be releasing in DTH just a day before its theatrical release. Since then, the magnum opus has not been able to keep itself away from controversies. What followed was a heated discussion with the theatre owners. The problem was then eventually solved by postponing the DTH release date.
The chamber and the distributors of Tamil Nadu and probably the South, they will all come together to understand this vision as a useful one for the industry. And I am announcing my release date of Vishwarupam in Tamil and Telugu on the 25th instant January.
Another blow came in the form of Islamic groups to Kamal Haasan. Muslim groups raised objection to its content, stating that the community has been portrayed in a bad light.
முஸ்லிம்களை குறிவைத்து, இஸ்லாத்தின் நம்பிக்கைகளை குறிவைத்து, முஸ்லிம்கள் உயிருக்கு மேலாக நேசிக்கக்கூடிய திருக்குரானை, முஸ்லிம்களுடைய தொழுகை முறையை, முஸ்லிம்களுடைய பிரார்த்தனை முறைகள் எல்லாம் தீவிரவாதத்தினுடைய ஊந்துகோலாக அமைந்திருக்கின்றது என்ற வகையில சமூகத்திற்கு மத்தியிலே, சமூகங்களுக்கு இடையில பிரிவினையை ஏற்படுத்தக்கூடிய ஒரு திரைப்படமாக இந்த படம் அமைந்திருக்கின்றது.
Based on the petition given by the minority groups, Tamil Nadu government banned the movie for 15 days despite the clearance from the country's censor board. Kamal Haasan appealed to the Madras High Court, stating that the content of the movie is factual and was not made to offend any particular community. Meanwhile, the movie was released in US and other states in India, but fans from his own state were left heartbroken.
எல்லா ஊர்லேயுமே முஸ்லீம் இருக்காங்க, ஆனால் தமிழ்நாட்டில் மட்டும்தான் முஸ்லீம் இருக்காங்களா? இங்கே மட்டும் தடை பண்ணி வச்சுக்கீங்களே. கேரளாவில் இருக்காங்க, எவ்வளோ முஸ்லீம் இருக்காங்க, இங்கே தோட ஜாஸ்தி இருக்காங்க கேரளாவில். அங்கே எப்படி ஓடுது? அங்கே ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை பண்ணியிருக்காங்களா?
But Kamal Haasan was not alone in this fight. Friends and prominent personalities voiced their support. Rajinikanth, his friend for the past 40 years, did not hold back. Kamal has never hurt anyone's sentiments. His gesture of screening the film for the Muslims before the theatrical release would show the love and the regards that he has got for them. After a series of reviewing, postponing and appealing, the High Court interim order was in Kamal's favour, lifting the ban on the movie. The very next day, Tamil Nadu government appealed against the order and the High Court reinstated the ban in Tamil Nadu. An emotional Kamal Haasan addressed the media the very same day.
I've lost what I've got. When I have nothing to lose, I might as well choose. And that choice would be a place where it will be a secular state. From Kashmir to Kerala, excluding Tamil Nadu, I'll look for a place which would house an artist like me. I'll pay for it.
Many film personalities supported Kamal by making their presence. In the midst of this issue, Chief Minister Jayalalitha met the media persons and stated that the decision was completely taken to safeguard the law and order in the state. She also added that there is no personal enmity with the actor. The Chief Minister further said that the matter will be solved if Kamal holds talk again with the Islam organization in the presence of government officials. As suggested, Kamal held discussion with the minority members in the state secretary and solved the issue. Finally, the release date is announced on February 7th, leaving the fans joyful. Vishwarupam, being the action thriller, its release too had its own dose of suspense, emotions and action, ending in a happy climax.
This is Lokesh Balachandran with camera person Stanley John for NDTV India Can.